I'm gonna be serving this cheesy caramelized onion dip in a bread bowl, and I'm gonna cover it with bacon. So I'm gonna put these into the oven at 375 and let them get nice and crispy and brown. And this really is a tribute to my Uncle Wilson. The thing about caramelizing onions is it takes a good 30 minutes, but what it does is it makes them really sweet. So the longer and slower you can cook them, the better they're gonna taste. People are usually kind of polarized about onions, right, whether they like them or not. And I think I always loved onions because we always had Vidalia onions. It was very specific in my family. I'm gonna grab that bacon out of the oven. This looks great. Now, hopefully my bacon is gonna be stuck enough to this rack that I can just pour these drippings right into my skillet, because we're gonna use the drippings. Look at that, nothing is wasted. Perfect. I'll just let that bacon sit, and I'm just gonna put all of these onions in. I've got my heat on low. This is just a low and slow process. So this is where you need to work on your patience, because it takes a little bit, but totally worth it. Gonna add in some salt and pepper, a generous pinch. And also for flavor, I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon of yellow mustard, dry mustard, and then a teaspoon of garlic salt. And I'm just gonna keep stirring this for about 30 minutes. Can't wait for Kaylee to get here because I think she's just going to love this food. Into this bowl, I'm gonna ask you, that's room temp cream cheese. You can just take that and throw it in the bowl.
All in there?
Yep. I'm gonna need about a half a cup of both of those cheeses. This is Swiss. We're still gonna use that cheese.
I love that we're doing
cheddar.
handfuls.
Yeah.
This is like my mom would make things.
This is Greek yogurt. Probably gonna be a couple of generous scoops. That's perfect. Perfect. Mayonnaise.
Okay.
Every
How much?
Southern girl's dream. Then I'm gonna add in some Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon. I just put some parsley in. I'm gonna actually ask you to help me. Can you grab that for me?
Yep.
And I'm gonna hold this over the bowl and ask you just to scrape it all in. That's a little warm, so don't hurt yourself.
Valdelias, it's a staple in Georgia. Trisha, I gotta tell you, my Aunt Pumpkin.
Aunt Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Aunt Pumpkin.
But anyway, she watches you religiously.
We're gonna take care of Aunt Pumpkin.
Okay, good.
Can I just adopt her as my aunt because I just love her name?
Well, I want her.
Well, she's yours too. So what we've done is we just
good.
put this into the bowl, and we're gonna sprinkle a little bit more of that cheese over the top of both of them, yeah. And then to add just magic to magic, I cooked some bacon, and we used the bacon drippings in the onions. We're just going around the outside of the bowl. Then we're gonna stick this under the broiler and let that cheese melt.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm getting at?
I see what you're getting at.
All right, I'm gonna put this under the broiler. I got that pie at the top.
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah, it's nice and warm. All right, now you really gotta watch that.
I'm not moving until this thing's out of here.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting melty. Even though it looks like burning lava, I really want to grab one of those bacon pieces.
Well, you're gonna need to wait a second. I'll grab this out.
It looks so good.
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you. I tried my best.
You just used the broiler. All right, let's see.
Got it?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Ooh, look at it.
Woo!
Wow.
That looks good.
Oh, that looks so good.
You can get in there and get some cheese and some caramelized onion. And
oh my gosh, this looks so good. The caramelized onions.
aren't they good?
I get how you mean it's sweet. Ma'am, there is nothing better than Vidalia onions. It reminds me of home.